and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. I thought I would dye another wig because I haven't actually dyed one in a while, and I've been pinning lots of hair inspo on Pinterest and I've seen the most amazing wig that I want to recreate. It is this one right here. How unreal does that look? I love that like hot pink colour and then the rainbow streaks coming down either side at the top of the hair. It's so beautiful. So I want to try and recreate that wig. That's my inspo for this look. So I've got lots of things in front of me. I've got Sally. Sally's back in the salon, in Sophie's salon. She's going to be getting her hair dyed today. I got a wig from Amazon. I don't know whether you guys follow CC Clark, but I basically bought the same wig that she used when she dyed a wig because it looked really, really good on her. I actually think I've already bought this wig before, but it looks slightly different. And actually I've got it and the hair's quite thin and it's already got a middle part in and some baby hairs. So yeah, I'm going to try and dye that wig today. I really love the length of it. It's like quite a long wig, so it's nice and different to my own hair. This is the wig right here. So yeah, lace front wig, human hair in like a nice blonde colour. And hopefully it's going to turn out okay. I have no idea. This looks like quite like a little technical kind of wig dye that I'm going to attempt to try. But I've got tin foil, I've got my gloves, I've got dye brushes, I've got bowls, I've got hair dye. The dye I'm going to be using, I've got lots of different colours. I've got Arctic Fox, I've got Lime Crime, and I've also got Crazy Colour, and I've also got Colour Psycho from Osmo. So literally I've got so many different brands and colours in front of me. So I'm just going to give this a go. I hope it goes okay and I hope it looks fab. Yeah, obviously it takes me quite a while to dye wigs, so I am going to be putting on some banging tunes. So grab a cup of tea, grab a coffee. Oh, have any of you guys been trying the whipped coffee that's going around on like TikTok and Instagram? Oh my God, the tastiest coffee ever. And it's like ice, like whipped ice. Oh, so delish. Grab one of those and yeah, sit back, relax, and I really hope you enjoy this video.
Lonesome dripping, cause we're spending the night, and it feels alright, but it's over now. Time keeps slipping, with your skin next to mine, and your lips I can fight, but it's over now. You brought out the best in me, we had everything we needed. You put me aside and turn out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed? What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Change yourself, fish away to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Had a vision, we held on to so tight. To me it was clear, but you lied to me. Now I keep thinking, was I wasting my time letting you into my life? You brought out the best in me, we had everything we needed. You put me aside and turn out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed? What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Change yourself, fish away to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back.
I'm back. The wig has been dyed. It's slightly damp. I am going to pop it on my head and just finish blow drying it. And then I'm going to style it and show you guys what it looks like. And I cannot wait to get it on because it looks so cool. Oh my god, I'm loving this rainbow streak. Wow. I have to say, I did run out of the Lime Crime Unicorn hair colour in the pink and the orange. So I kind of improvised and I managed to make this like purpley colour. So I kind of created like a purpley ombre. You'd be able to see like bits of purple like on the underneath part of the wig. And then I kind of accidentally made the rainbow streaks really thick instead of thin like this image. But hopefully it will still look cool. And yeah, let's get it on, let's get it dry, let's get it styled. Also wanted to show you guys this called the Wig Fix. Now apparently you don't need any glue, all you need is this to attach your wig to your head. And apparently it doesn't budge at all. So I'm going to be giving this a try today and I will tell you guys what I think of it. I bought this online. I think it was like £25. I'll pop a link below. I've heard amazing things about it. So yeah, really keen to give this a go because it is super annoying having to put so much hair gel and hairspray in your hair and then obviously getting it out. Like, it's not good for your hair really. So yeah, gonna give this a go. It's got like little bumps on it, which is apparently meant to attach the wig to your head. I don't know. We'll give it a go. I'm also going to wear a wig cap still as well anyway. But yeah, let's get the wig on.
No, I don't need it. No, don't need you here to feel alright.
Oh my god. This wig is so cute. I am frigging loving these like rainbow streaks. I honestly didn't think they were going to come out this good. Oh my god, it looks so cute. Oh my god, got cute hair. I feel like a rainbow cotton candy Care Bear. What do you guys think? Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. I love the streaks of like pink and purple, and then also these little bits of orange that are just like coming through on the main colour of the wig. Like, obviously, I know I said I ran out of the pink, but I really love this kind of lilac-y route going into the pink. It works so well. And then just like random streaks of this like neon peach from the Lime Crime Unicorn dye. Oh my god. And then these streaks. I love it. It is so cute. Also, I reckon this wig would look unreal with like French braids or like Dutch braids going down either side. I think that would be so cute. You could do some amazing hairstyles with this wig, which I feel like I should do on my Instagram soon. I love it. I even added these cute little butterfly clips I got from Claire's. Oh my god, it's so cute. I do have to say though, this wig for me, I have such a small head, and this wig, like on Cece, it looks amazing on her and on other people, but my head is so freaking small. Honestly, it's so tiny. I don't even know what the circumference of my head is. I think it's like, I want to say like 54 centimetres. Is that right? I don't even know. Maybe not. My head is so small that these wigs on people, on like the average person, look absolutely fine, but on me it's way too much hair. So yeah, it's so annoying that even like the smallest density wigs that I can find is still too much hair for me. They're just never natural. So I do find these wigs only look good if they're styled. So like, it looks cute like this. I mean, there's a hell of a lot of hair and it doesn't look very real, but I can get away with it for like a festival or like a fancy dress party or like in Ibiza or something. I could totally get away with this, but I think every day, like, it's obvious that it's a wig, I think. I mean, just because of the colour and stuff, and also the fact there's just so much hair. It is amazing, this much hair, because you can do some really cool hairstyles. But yeah, definitely this wig I would need to style. I can't just have it down straight or wavy because it's just so much hair. It's just too much for me. Like, even with the wig, I don't know whether you can see at the back, but you can't really see. But basically, I've had to like cross over the elastic straps and put them on the tightest loop so it would fit my head. Like, that's how small my head is. So yeah, so I've got like a bulk bit at the back where like, I don't know what I could do with it. Maybe I could cut it out or something, but like, can you see? Like this, like I need probably a fistful of hair at the back to just be taken out. I don't know whether I could do it, but I mean, these wigs look great down anyway. I probably wouldn't be able to wear it up in a high pony. I could definitely do a low pony, and maybe even like bunches would probably work okay. But yeah, oh my god, I love the colour. It came out so well. I was super worried because I haven't really copied the wig completely with the streaks. I left them quite large, but I actually quite like it like that. I just love the neon green and the yellow against the pink. It looks a beaut. Oh, it's so cool. What do you guys think? Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I'll pop links below to all the dyes and all the products that I use and these cute little clips. And the wig as well. Obviously, on me, it's too much hair, but on other people, it might be okay if you've got a normal size head, because honestly, my head is so small. But yeah, I really love it. The colour came out so well. It's vibrant. It's just such a funky festival wig, like a rave wig. I cannot wait to wear this to a festival soon. I mean, I say soon, but I'm probably not going to be going to a festival anytime soon. But hey, I can have a little virtual festival in my garden. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, I love it. Right guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you again very, very soon. Stay safe and stay strong. Peace out.